Coming to the ring next, we've got the number 69, Kyle Gold from Brothers Glen, sponsored by Red Line Detailing. Hey, where's his long sleeves? Oh, he's got them rolled up. I see. As the drivers are coming in, we're checking for 10 spots. All belts are done up. Coming to the gate now, we've got the number 16, Jesse Craver from Timmins, sponsored by Truck Vehicles, Dead or Alive, Towing, Creative Recycling. Number 23, Tyler Vizelette from North Bay, sponsored by Hitch and Go Trailers and Demolition. Number 29, Adam Rollins from St. River, sponsored by his family. Drivers, as you have all built your cars and know our rules, there is to be absolutely no drugs or alcohol in our pit area. Anything restricted in the pit area, and if you are caught drinking, you will, one, not be driving, and two, getting disqualified. The number 013, Stephen Wilson from Powassan Racing, sponsored by Steph Willis Moving and Cap Crew. Number 21 at the gate now, we've got Kevin Whitman from Powassan Racing, sponsored by the Cap Crew and Scooter Ruckers. Oh, John got it fired back up. We're going to be seeing on the earth in the 22-22.
Hey, that was supposed to be a gentleman's tap trial. I assure you, he's Kevin coming for you. Big hit all the way around the ring. Round and around and around we go. Where can it stop? Nobody knows. Bumper on the track. Drivers, come to a stop, please. We have a bumper on the track. We've got a clear ring. I need a count from 5, 4. Let's go. Sliding around, hitting the right front, left front with the left front from Kyle to Kevin. We've got a cap on a couple different cars around the ring. Jesse getting lined up to go for a hit. Uh-oh, stalled on him. Going for a big hit. Here we go. Look at that hit from the 15 on the 69 right here. Big hits all the way around the ring. Watch the driver's doors, drivers. Up, watch the driver's doors. We got the front bumper on the 69 just barely hanging on. We got Jesse comes up against the door block. Kevin's over there making a nice hit on John. Oh, big hit on the right front tire of John from the Cap Crew. Driver's door warning for the 013. Big hit on all the way around. Number 69 is under the count. We've also got the 22-22 under the count. Swinging a miss to the 34.9. 23 decides to hit the brakes before he hits John in the 22-22. Bumpers it off to the 34.9 and the 16. Big hit all the way around the ring. Oh, big hit from the 23 on the... They picked up the 0-1-3. John Bedard has been counted out. Big hit from the 34.9 and 0-1-3. If the 34.9 turns around, take a look at the right front tire. The tire's just spinning around on that rim. Tyler's digging himself a hole on the far side. We've got 5 cars still moving in heat 1. We've got the 23 under the count. Oh, a big hit for the 44.9 on the 69. Big hit on the backside of the 69 from the 0-1-3. 5 cars still moving. Tyler's right rear tire looks like it's ready to fall off. Big hit for the 44.9 and the 0-1-3. Another big hit to the backside of the 44.9. Back tires are locked up on the 69. Drivers go warning to the 0-1-3. Here we go. Hey guys, how's it going? Nice hit from the 23 on the 69. Red flag, fire drivers. Hey drivers, this is going to be a friendly, cautious reminder. Keep your hands inside your ride. We don't want to see you lose a hand. I really would rather not put the fire department to work. I hope they're enjoying the show, to be honest. Let's hear it for Kyle in the 69! Getting a little hot under the collar. I need a count from 5. Let's go. Oh, big hit for the 23 on the 0-1-3. You got Jesse in the 16, sit down the down corner under the count. 44.9 just spinning up the dirt. Number 16's under the count. Needs to make a competitive hit. Big hit for the 16 on the 23. Big hit for the 44.9 on the 21. We're telling the boys we're down the station, turn it up, let's see it go. You guys want to see the guys from down the station hit each other or what? Big hit to Jesse. Now we're not saying hit each other out, but put a show on for these people. Smart. We got the 44.9 spinning his wheels down in the far corner, the 23 under the count. We've got the count on the 449 down in the corner. 2 cars under the count, 3 cars still moving, playing Demolition Derby. 4 cars left, 44.9 takes themselves out. 3 cars left, the 23 just took 4th. We are down to the 013, the 16, and the 21. Oh, a big hit to the right front tire from the 16 on the 21. We are taking top 3 to the feature. You are looking at your top 3 finishers of Heat 1, the 013, 16, and 21. Let's hear it for them. Let's go! These 3 drivers are battling for a Heat trophy. There is no money on the line. They just want the Heat trophy. Let's hear it for these 3. They're all battling for the Northern Championship points. They want the points for the Heat win. You have 2 drivers from Timmins, 2 drivers from Powassan and 1 from Timmins. Let's hear from these 3. See, I also know on the far side of the ring, there happens to be this pink flag. If you want to stand in bed, I'm going to find a big flag for you. We've got the number 21 under the count. We've got the number 013 under the count. Last car moving at this time. We've got the number 16. The number 21 is under the count. The 013 is under the count. We're holding off the 16. Number 21 just took 3rd in the heat. We have the 013 still under the count. That's your heat. Let's hear for the number 16.
The crowd begins to cheer. Demolition Derby time. Feel the thrill so near. Watch them collide. Hear the metal scream. It's a Demolition Derby. Let the sparks ignite on this dirt track arena. We feel so alive. With these twists and turns, the crowd roars in delight. On a Sunday afternoon, the glory's in sight. Combat cars starting like bees in a hive. Crashing and thrashing, you can feel the vibe. A wild ride of chaos, dust fills the air in the arena. Steel laughter everywhere. All bets are on.